All right, I got the car back on the lift, moved everything around. This shit box is hopefully good. I gotta take it for a couple beat rides. But this should just be a simple clutch swap, knock on wood. Hopefully it fixes everything. So I'm going to not record everything since we already went through all of it, but I am going to time it to see how long it takes me. Right now it's about 4 o'clock and I don't have anybody here to help me yet. That's not a big deal for taking everything out. I just need help putting the transmission in. So it shouldn't take me too long. I would say probably 4 or 5 hours to do the clutch. So I should be able to get it done today. Hopefully, as long as I don't hit any snags, which is very possible because that's usually how it goes. And I still have to sand these down a little bit, but that shouldn't take very long either. But I'll record anything if I see anything crazy, and if not, hopefully I'll just be talking to you guys once it's done. So wish me luck. Well, I made it 12 minutes into doing the transmission, and we have a giant issue. I saw over here there's some water on the ground. I'm like, okay, well maybe it got wet, which doesn't make any sense because it's been sitting inside. And I looked and I'm like, oh yep, that's definitely coolant. So I'm like, well that's not good. Why is it leaking coolant? And then I looked up and the block is cracked. And you can see it's kind of splintered up there. I don't know if you can see it, the lighting kind of sucks. Up by that grommets kind of splintered. It's leaking all the way up there, so I don't know if it's cracked up there. I can't really see anything. But when you look over here, that's cracked. So basically all the ears are cracked off the back of the transmission, or the back of the block. So the engine's junk, block's junk. Not what I was hoping to see today. And that wasn't cracked like that before, so I don't know why it cracked like that. Yeah, that's not great. Oh, this was supposed to be the keep the car fun and not break until I could put it into that car. And basically I guess everything in the motor is good besides the block. Hopefully. I have to tear it down. But man, I wish I had my transmission jack. I could just pull this engine. But it's been 2.5 weeks and that still hasn't shipped because of the coronavirus. I don't know. I don't know if I want to just put the drive shaft back in so I can roll the thing around or what. But super disappointed. Not what I wanted to see. Of course, it's like the season, so the car's been fine all year, and then the second it starts getting nice out, it breaks, because that's what it likes to do to me. Almost every year it does this. Yeah. Not the best of news. I wish I could have made a better video today and been happy and been able to drive this thing, but I'm real disappointed, pretty upset, and so to put a motor in this thing is like, I've been saving to do work to the car, and now it's like, well, I can put a motor in it and that's basically it. maybe I'll just go big and be like, fuck it, go broke. But it's upsetting. Well, there'll probably be more videos. I'll be taking that thing out either next week or the week after that. So something's probably gonna break on that, and then I'll have more videos for you. I gotta rebuild the trailer. The trailer's shot. Found that out the other day. And just, this is my type of luck, so I'll probably have plenty of videos for you guys coming up. But yeah, well, I'll figure it out, and maybe I can find a good deal on something, and we'll just go ahead with that. But all right, I'll talk to you guys later.